going?
To pick up the Cefiro!
Pick up the Cefiro. Woo, 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 woo! Oh my god.
Yeah, I've seen it.
No, the other one was a photo.
Oh, it's another one.
What do you think?
Do you know the guys here?
I don't know what should I say, but it looks so good.
It's like perfect, dude.
Oh my god. It doesn't even look like the right color because
He painted it. There's like no dust in it, man.
Just let him close to how it was.
camera duty.
Okay.
It looks good. It looks like purple.
You
Got a purpley tinge in it.
It looks. It's not even close to the color.
Yeah, I know. It looks
Even though it's not
nothing like the
color.
color it was.
It just goes to show you how bad
The
it
paint
had
was.
gone.
And you know, when I bought it, the paint was average. So I've never seen it look.
I actually like this colour.
Don't ever talk to me again.
The other thing is, I've got insurance
Oh my god.
RESPRAY, you're white.
I'm so excited.
Yeah, I have to do that. If that gets
I can
approved
see
this
your
week,
face.
I've got to do it that week.
Because look how good it is.
So I've got to do it, so I'll prep it all, get it all ready, so then I can try it. Even if you do it
So are you happy?
or something,
Very.
paint it, but I've got to paint it. Maybe even after I can try, we'll get it to Mac. Where is it?
Yeah, I remember he said Brett.
What a fucking disaster. Well, you got to come out the window, mate.
I don't want to sit on the door though.
When I get the shot, bring it past, we'll check the controls. Big boy.
You can do it.
What's your phone?
I'm gonna rest my arm.
Yeah, hold my shoulder.
Yeah, that's better.
Hang on, hang on, hang on. Oh, that's gonna go flying.
What's that ass print right there? No.
There.
It's good. Is it really making a noise or are you joking?
No.
Like I put all the suspension in and but no, I'm gonna say. I got a shell on the motor.
What do you think?
It's a beautiful
To
car.
be honest, even if we didn't have the problem, like
As beautiful as you.
I've always wanted it. You know, when I used to build that car, I used to be like, oh, it's not, you know what I mean?
Small.
You got the battery out?
Yeah. Okay, so trailer, tow car, everything is taken back. Car is back in my garage and I can finally put it back together. I had to take the Falcon elsewhere because I wanted the Cefiro inside the garage so I can put it together in here. So I can open the doors because usually it's parked out the back here. There's no way I'm putting it together there. So, this paint job came out amazing. It looks so good. I can't believe this car is one color. The paint was actually stuffed on this car when I bought it 11 years ago, so this is the first time I've seen it with really good paint like this, and I'm over the moon. I can't get the smile off my face, I can't stop looking at it. And the paint came out really, really good. Credit to Minnie for prepping it and Paul for painting it. It's come out better than I could ever expect. Okay, so next video I'll be putting it back together and you'll see it all assembled. We still need to paint front and rear bar, skirts and mirrors. That's all that's left. So they're going to get painted back at Mini Shop. And because we need to modify the bar, we need to do gaps and stuff, so there's still a bit more work to do. But I thought I would just do a small video now that it's done, just because I'm that pumped on it. So that's it. See you guys next video.